keep it safe, keep it slow. Guys are going up on the mountain, going to work on some of that secondary stuff. Sign the job briefing and we'll move on.
Our mission was to restore the power to the folks here in Puerto Rico after they've been out for nearly 6 months. The terrain was definitely tough and challenging. The work was different every day, and the people were incredibly grateful.
Yay! It's a lot different than the mainland. People have been out of power here for so long, and they're so grateful to see it. Even if you haven't fixed anything, they're just grateful that you're there, getting ready to help them out.
I used our app to talk to her to let her know that John went to buy fuses for her and let her know that we would get power for her today.
The language barrier is a hard thing. I don't know if they really understand you. So then you go ahead and finally get them lights, and they're pretty stoked. They're pretty excited.
In my 29 plus years with the company, it's one of the most gratifying things we've been able to do when you can turn somebody's lights on that's been out of power for 6+ months.
Being in their shoes, it's hard to imagine, and for as little as they have and how grateful they are just to have electric after that long, it makes you feel good.
Thank you very much. That was delicious. They come out with water, they come out with coffee. They give so much. And this is truly about helping people out, and you come down here and they want to give back to you as much as you want to try to give to them.
Thank you.
That's pretty unique in today's world.
Thanks for the lemonade.
Okay.
I've said all along that it's exciting, frustrating, and depressing all at the same time, but being able to help these folks has been amazing. It's definitely a once-in-a-lifetime trip.